Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to renovate our old and boring clothing store to a brand new customized clothing store into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. So this is the script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll be providing the link in the description below. You just need to click on download and download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file and open this file, and you have to open the FiveM file from here and copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. I'll be pasting it over here just like this. Now let's restart the server. We are in our server now, and as you can see, our clothing store has been changed, or you can say has been renovated to this clothing store. And this clothing store is also looks great, as well as all the clothing store which is in this whole GTA 5 map has been changed to the same. As you can see over here as well, this clothing store is also changed. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.